everybody? I just wanted to show you a video here. I did a video earlier about these objects near the sun when I filmed the sun today here in Iowa. I wanted to film the sun because I was seeing these videos on YouTube about black dots over the sun and these anomalies of these what seemed to be like a lens thing. I seen Canon release some article about these black flares on their cameras. I don't know if every camera can pick it up, but my point is I went out to see if my camera would pick it up. Because people want to say, oh, it's Nibiru and Planet X and Comet Elenin and shit. But if you would actually do some research into Comet Elenin, it is off towards, well, from our perspective of the sun, it is towards the left and lower south of the sun. It's not anywhere near the front of the sun. But anyways, these are the videos I shot, and I didn't know I had captured what these moving things on the screen until I went inside because it's too fucking bright. Now, it's so bright here, automatically, I don't know what happens to my phone. Someone said I fried my CCD something, but it only does it when I look directly at the fucking bright ass sun. I mean, they weren't trailing today or nothing. So, I mean, it was bright. It was about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Anyways, and here is where it comes in. You see this here? Now, I can show you a lens flare. This here is a lens flare. Everywhere I move the camera, this moves with it. It's a flare. These, what appears to be kind of like the Kool-Aid Man or something, with the arms and the devil horns. Those are flares also off the sun. But this lens flare moves around with me. You see that? This, which just came, see it here? See it here? It seems to come right out of here. Let's back it up just a little bit more. Oh, does it start right there? It's hard to tell. It moves so fast. But as it shoots right across. See it here? See it here? See it here? Okay, that's video number one. I decided to shoot a couple videos. I didn't know that this was in there. I was just shooting a couple videos because I couldn't even look at my camera because it was too bright. So I was just shooting video, and I just looked at it when I came inside. So if we go to the next one, I pointed it down first. Okay, I pointed it down first, so you can see as soon as I look at that bright sun, it messes up the coloring in the camera, but that should have nothing to do with this. The only thing I could see is this being something on the lens or something like that. I would have to have a camera with a lens that rotates or moves back and forth, but all I have is a HTC Thunderbolt phone camera. Okay, like I showed you before, when you're looking at the solar flares that move with the camera, this is flaring off of the sun. I mean, it's very, very bright. I was afraid I was going to break my camera, but whatever. But I just noticed here, as I look up at it, something just flashed right here. Man, that's going to be hard. Ooh. Pay attention to this area right here. Oh. Gotta move it back a little bit further. It's bright. Did you see that? Man, that flew right by. You see that? Because it flicks here's one right here. I mean, are these comets flying by or asteroids flying by? Because if they're comets or asteroids flying by the sun like this, we got an issue. And this is not an airplane. I tell you that right now. I mean, look at it for yourself. Look how fast it's moving. Look how bright it is. Now, what's awesome about this one, I love this video here. I mean, I just could not believe I got these things on this camera. But if you look right here, it's going to move right across here, and they're going to intersect over here. If you watch this right here. See it? Here it comes, here it comes. Now if I pause it, you can faintly see right here and right here. And they're going to intersect about here. Actually, no, they didn't. That must be another one. This one seems to veer off towards the right a bit. And at the speed it was moving, and then it just slowed down like that. Amazing. I can't believe I got these on tape. I can't believe it. Or on video or whatever. Because they're definitely something. I mean, this is the lens flare moving with the camera. Again, these are perfectly... There's no direction change or whatsoever, and you can see that they're distant objects. What's funny is it just come out with an article that there's Trojan asteroids that are in the sun that we can't see, that are right behind us or right in front of us. And then to look at the sun and see this stuff. Now this is the third video. These are pretty much one right after the other. There it is. Back it up a little bit. Another one. They seem to appear out of nowhere. If you see that, boom. I mean, I could see if it was something on my camera and I'm zooming in, it would be moving, but I'm already zoomed in here. And then this thing flies off. I mean, look at it. I couldn't believe again, I could not see what was going on, when I was filming it, because it was too bright. So I'll show them all in their entirety here. I caught these on here. And like I said, if they're comets or asteroids, we're in deep shit or something. I mean, you got that much junk flying by us, we got big problems. Man, that was two of them. One's gonna take off. Oh, one comes up underneath. Boy, that was weird. There goes one out of the sun. Then this one comes up. I mean, come on. This isn't a camera trick, man. Like, what are those? Oh, there was another one. There was three on this one. This is a good one here. Let's go ahead and back that up again. See it here? It's going to come flying right by this one. Again, this one, this is the same video I showed where it kind of turned. That's the intersection. Oh, okay, yeah. I knew there was one of three of them. There's the one coming out of the sun. Right there. Boom. One's gonna come up underneath here. Man, I wish I would have been zoomed out for this one because that thing's bright. I want to see if it would have just come out of nowhere. And then the one's coming right here. Amazing. I've just now sat down to really analyze these things, so I knew I had a video with 3 of them. Just couldn't remember which one it was. Then you have this here. Again, these videos are one right after the other. I don't see those streaking lights as solar flares. I'm gonna film the sun tomorrow and see if this happens again. There it goes up right there. I mean, come on, man. Those are something. Those are something. So, check this video out. Thanks for watching it. And I mean, if you know what it is, go ahead and let me know.